We use these specific yellow tags to monitor the growth and health of each cactus pad, ensuring a sustainable harvest later in the season.
We're harvesting the prickly pear cactus today. The conveyor loads them right into the truck, ensuring a quick and efficient process here on the farm.
We've discovered the secret to intense moisture right here in this resilient plant. It's truly revolutionary.
We are verifying the purity of the cactus mixture. The additive-free process ensures sustainability and high quality.
We've successfully extracted the fibers from these leaves, resulting in this high-quality, sustainable material. And here is the real innovation. The sustained temperature during the steam phase allows for perfect mill alignment. As you can see, the new hydraulic press flawlessly molds the composite sheet in under 6 seconds.
Cave room. As you can see, the chlorophyll synthesis in this variant is significantly enhanced by the blue light spectrum.
I'm just making the final adjustments to the emerald green hide. The texture needs to be perfectly flat before the hydraulic press descends.
We source only the finest ostrich hides. Notice the rich color and the distinct texture of the quill marks, showcasing its exceptional quality.
As you can see when I squeeze it, this leather has a beautiful softness, yet it's incredibly durable. The grain here is what gives it that rich texture.